So, you've heard the buzz about GoHighLevel and its automation superpowers. You're probably wondering what everyone else is. Can this platform really automate your unique business? Are the promises of streamlined workflows and reclaimed time actually achievable for you? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're cutting through the hype and getting to the truth about whether GoHighLevel can truly automate your business. Let's be upfront. There's no magic automate everything button that works for every single business on the planet. However, the truth is, for the vast majority of businesses that involve marketing, sales, and customer interaction, GoHighLevel offers incredibly robust automation capabilities that can significantly transform how you operate. Think about the core activities that eat up your time: following up with leads, scheduling appointments, sending out marketing messages, managing customer communications. These are precisely the areas where GoHighLevel excels at taking manual tasks off your plate. The key isn't can it automate, but rather how strategically you implement it for your specific needs. To get a clearer picture for your business, let's look at the key areas where GoHighLevel truly shines when it comes to automation. Marketing automation. Think automated email and SMS campaigns, social media scheduling, limited lead nurturing sequences triggered by user behavior, and even automated follow ups on website form submissions. Sales automation. Imagine automatically moving leads through your sales pipeline, sending out appointment confirmations and reminders, and even automating invoice follow ups. Customer relationship management, CRM, automation. Automate tagging and segmenting contacts based on their actions, sending personalized onboarding messages, and triggering support workflows. Appointment scheduling automation. Let your leads and clients book directly through integrated calendars with automated confirmations and reminders. So, how do you determine which of these automation possibilities are right for your business? Ask yourself these crucial questions. What are my most repetitive tasks in marketing, sales, and customer service? Where are the biggest bottlenecks in my current workflows? What tasks are prone to human error or often get overlooked? What are my primary goals for automation, e.g., saving time, increasing leads, improving customer satisfaction? Answering these questions will give you a clear roadmap of where GoHighLevel's automation can provide the most significant impact for your specific business. The ultimate truth is, GoHighLevel has the potential to automate significant portions of your business, but its effectiveness hinges on your strategic implementation. It's not a magic wand. It requires you to understand your processes and set up the automations thoughtfully. However, with a little planning, the power to reclaim your time and scale your business is absolutely within reach. So, can GoHighLevel automate your business? The answer is likely a resounding yes, especially if you're involved in marketing, sales, or customer management. The key is to identify your needs and implement strategically. What are the first areas you're considering automating in your business with GoHighLevel? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to GHL Free Hub for more insights and practical guides on leveraging the power of GoHighLevel. We'll see you in the next video. Sign up for GoHighLevel using my affiliate link in the description, and we'll give you a free, personalized automation roadmap for your business.